Camille Saint-Saëns was known as a talented musician from an early age. He was born in Paris on October 9, 1835, and started his music through the help of his aunt by teaching him piano lessons when he was only 2 years old. And afterward, he began composing piano pieces at age 3. He was considered as a composer who creates elegant music, neat, clean, polished, and never excessive. An example of this is the Swan. As an organist and one of the best pianists of his time, he sat very still at the piano and played gracefully and cool. During the peak of his career as a musician and composer, many beautiful buildings and churches were built in France. This includes the famous Eiffel Tower. Camille Saint-Saëns passed away on December 16, 1921, leaving behind a rich legacy of music that continues to inspire and captivate audiences worldwide. His contribution to French music and his innovative approach to composition ensure that his influence endures in the annals of classical music history.
Bagahapon, kinautan mo sabon.
Mag-rap, di ba mo?
Ay, okay. Dali sa tamak-lap.
Sakto na, wait. Wala. Hello?
Ko piyong dayon.
Hello?